Is Canoe ripping yet? Canoe calls just traded 150, guys. Canoe just traded 150, guys, in Canoe. Wow. What a signal from Option Hacker. That pays for about a year of Option Hacker. $1.50 traded here, guys. 1450 club exit. Sell 50% of Canoe calls for 150. Paid $1. So Canoe, guys, exit here at $1.50. $1.50, guys. Canoe target hit in Canoe at $1.50. If those go back down to $1, I think they're a buy again here, guys. So those go back down to $1, I think they're a buy again. So this is Canoe. Canoe. So let's go in here and update our portfolio. FEYE calls being bought. Ooh, I like that one. July 22s. CANO. CANO, guys. Calls being bought. So let's update the portfolio. This is our first trade today, 6/30/2021. It is officially a winner because we hit a target. CANO, August 20th. 12.5 calls. The entry is $1. And targets are 150 and 2. Canoe. And this hit 3 scanners, guys. This hit Option Hacker 2.0. This hit Trade Signal, and this hit Option Hacker. So 3 scanners it hit. 3 scanners it hit here. X calls up to 72. Weight Watchers high. VMW getting a little bit of a bid here. AHT. So what I did in a Canoe, because it doesn't have an ATR because it hasn't been trading for 14 days. What I did in Canoe is I put in a 7-day ATR, and we're about 80 to 90 cents. So the stock goes back up to $12 today, $12.50. These will double in value, or they'll go up 50%. So CANO, guys. They're 130, 135. If they drop back down to $1, I do like them. So if they drop down back to $1, I do like them. Futures at 5. Futures at 5. JD, you suck. Just needed to rip one time. ASAN. GTT 1 puts trading here. I almost want to pull the ripcord of Halliburton and US Steel, but I get 3 weeks for those. So I'm not going to do it just yet. MOS and MT just hanging out here. It's only traded 1.3 million shares today. Final target on these would be 2. You do have a big buyer of October 15 calls. You could buy October 15s for around 120. I don't think those are terrible. OC 15s at 120 in the CANO. I don't think those are terrible. They're 105, 130. So kind of review for today. Day trades, we have Mosaic, day trade winner. MT, that's probably a loser. Walmart I wouldn't have taken. And then JD is technically a winner depending on where you got in. Option Hacker, 2 signals, 2 winners. Walmart, 100% profit, guys. 100% profit. CNO, 50% profit so far. So Option Hacker, people always ask what's the best. I say Option Hacker. 48-hour spike. I know a lot of people made money in FSLY. The stock ripped up to 63.50. It hit target 1. And then Walmart on a 48-hour spike. I wouldn't have taken that because the stock moved up too much. I think it was a winner and then a loser. Short squeeze, 1 trade. Walmart winner. Covered calls, nothing. Option Hacker 2.0, Canoe. Trade signal, Canoe. Okay? So a lot of times we see a lot of the same signal on multiple scanners. Canoe. CNO. JD, you suck. Suck. Just get a bid. What's up? What's up? What's up? OCT 12.5's an EDU. I like those. So yesterday, let's see what we had in the longer dated scanners. Freeport trading here, nothing doing Freeport. Futures a little bit of weakness. Intel, Exxon, SY, NEE. VIPs, how's VIPs end up? BGS, GDRX, EDU, OCT 12.5s, NOK, GM. Have you seen my Ford lately? ALLT. Kind of reviewing some things here. RDSA, Activision, EDR. BKE calls, I think, new all-time high here. Oh, BKE, the buckle, set 50s. What a signal on that. Those went from 127 to 390. Unbelievable. Macy's AUG 19s. Let's see how high those traded today. 168. EPZM we took off yesterday. Stock starting to sink. AUG 10s are 40.70. We got those off at a buck. Those traded up about 120. NTLA calls. These are up to $54, guys. These hit one of our scanners at $2.80. AUG 120s, guys. Unbelievable. EQT hit one of our scanners yesterday. It's traded up to $2.15. Weight Watchers are great signal. ZH traded up to 90 today. Out of CNO, $500. Nice trading. Nice trading. Pays for a month or two of option action. Being patient right now, guys. Waiting for an opportunity. Bonus trading. Futures up 4.25. JDs can still move. It just hasn't done anything yet. Or could sell off. We never know. It's only moved about 40 cents today. NTLA calls went from $240 to $54. EDU, I still have October calls on. I'm up money in that one. Futures up 4.5. Canoe, we hit target 1 at 150. Oh, MT, I have an overnight trade, guys. So I have a ATR trade in a Canoe here. Sorry, MT. So MT, I have MT, I'm taking a ATR trade in MT, guys. So ATR trade in MT, guys. ATR trade in MT. So over ATR trade. These are too cheap for me to say no. Buy MT this week. 32 calls, 15 cents. Targets 45 or 0. So targets 45 or 0 here in MT, guys. MT targets 45 or 0 this on MT. So targets 45 or 0 in MT. So 45 or 0 in MT. VST OCT 21's being bought. We saw some August calls. OCT I don't think are bad. 45 cents. Doesn't have that big of an ATR though. ATR here is about 48 cents. So Vista, VST, they continue to buy calls. I don't love it here. I don't hate it. JD looked like it was moving up for like half a second, and then it didn't. Futures up 6.5. The JD market's really wide right now. I don't know why. 51 and 57. Maybe they're just waiting. So took MT as an ATR trade. ZH did not hit a target at 90 yet. WT8RH. Is today Wednesday? It feels weird just because feels weird to me because what is the better chance of raining, today or Friday? 40% today, 60 on Saturday. I'm gonna go. One day I'm going to the spa. I know that. One day is the movies. One day is the spa. It's hard to like. Futures up 6.25. Is this new all-time highs? Let's see. 42.91 is all-time highs. We don't even have the funny thing about this new all-time high, we don't even have a relative strength index above 70. So we're not technically like that overbought. We're not technically. EQT SEP 22 is being bought, guys. That had to hit one of our scanners. EQT, they continue to buy calls in EQT. They have earnings a day before my birthday. SEP 22s in EQT trading here, guys, in EQT. EQT calls being bought, guys. More EQT calls being bought, guys. They love EQT calls. So I'm trying to see why Option Aggr 2.0. That should have hit, I feel like. Huh. Oh, I think it's the delta component. The 55 delta. That's why, AK. 55 delta. So EQT big call buyers, guys. If you wanted to play these, you could. EQT big call buyers. EQT big call buyers here, guys. SEP 22s. SEP 22s big call buyers in EQT. EQT big call buyers. Those are $2 options. So scan idea. Buy EQT, 9/17, 2021, 22 calls for $2. Targets would be 3 and 4. So too rich for me, but I like to give you these. Just an idea. EQT. Hey QT. Canoe not really moving. I thought Canoe would just rip. I thought Canoe would just rip, and it really hasn't. I'm gonna see Fast and Furious. The Forever Purge. MT. I'm still in Mosaic. I could take these off for a small winner. RAD. I used to have a structured note. I think I got called back, thankfully. Rite Aid. 32-16. I wouldn't mind taking a structured note on it here. They're brick and mortar. What's going to happen to that? Suns play tonight. That's right. Project 303 right after this, guys. Project 303 right after this. If you remember, you just got to go to Vimeo. CCL starting to move here. CCL bid. US Steel up a little bit. US Steel calls up to 74. Halliburton calls up a little bit. Today feels like a Thursday. So Friday we have no. Oh, actually there might be a session on Friday. Friday we have. Will be a slower day, and then Monday. No work on Monday, guys. No work Monday. MT, I am holding overnight. Actually, I'd be holding for 2 days. Either 45 or 0. Neo up 3. Space down 3. I said Space was gonna make a reversal. I didn't think it would happen that quickly. GD Space got up to 57, down to 44. So down about 25% in 2 days, 3 days. Said you could have shorted this candle. That's a reversal candle right here. Yeah, I know. EQG is quite many on the offer. There's 615 on the offer. I obviously like to trade things out. There's not so many on the offer. Weight Watch is up 28 cents. Mosaic starting to move up a little bit. Just hanging out here, guys. Waiting for the opportunity. Don't have to force anything. ARRY. I like weather.com so much more. So it's not going to rain today. Oh, I don't think it's going to rain today. It's cloudy. No rain today. Rain on Saturday and Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. This is when if I had a second place, I'd just get out of Dallas. If it rains, I'm out of here for 5 days. I wouldn't be going around when it rains. JD starting to move up a little bit. Small, small, small. Calls really aren't moving that much. Still like Canoe to the long side. At a buck. I don't like him at $1.30. HIMX. JD at the high of the session. Canoe. Come on, JD, get a bid. 55, 58. 55, 57. 57 stocks on the highs. Come on. These should be worth a lot more. They're $1 out of the money. I get 3 days. Three minutes to go, guys. 3 minutes to go. 3 minutes to go. CMCM trading here, July 3s. No, thank you. CMCM, July 3s. Newmont trading here, small. What's my first target here? 62, 63. Let's move the 63 up. Move the 63 up to 67. Let's do that up. 62, 67, 75, 78. Let's move 78 up to 80. Oh, MT had earnings today, really? Alright. Fair enough. Futures bid. Might get an end of the day rally. It's the rally in the alley. Two minutes, guys. JD's starting to move up. I needed to break 79. Just break it. RF trading here, nothing doing RF. And it'll be $165 in his trading. Oil name's a little bit of weakness here. I'm going to hold it JD overnight. Good question. I don't know. Probably not. I get impatient a lot. I get impatient, and then like I would probably sell it right now, and then I would just, I don't know. I like the ATR though. Could get up to 80 something, 80, 70. So it's still got a $1.70 to the upside. It's only moved 50 cents today. There it goes. 79. It's got to break through the high of the day, basically. If it fails, the high of the day is in. 79.20. It's got to fiercely get through the high of the day. FSLY selling off a little bit. FLR a couple pennies. Yeah, I mean, I agree with that a lot. All right, guys, that is it. Running to 303. I'll see everybody bright and early tomorrow. If you're not a member of 303, if not, I'll see you guys later.